What's going on, Mixon? Nathen Mixon. Did you know that your car, your Tesla, your Model 3, and also to your Model Y, it comes with a cup holder, right? It's pretty standard. I mean, every car comes with a cup holder, but the cup holders suck. And if you drive a Tesla, you know this is true. That's why you had to get stabilizer, hold your drinks in place, things like that. But what if I told you we can take it up a notch, right? Test Studios, I just partnered up with them, and they sent me out this cool cup holder that has aromatherapy in it as well. Make sure you check out their site. They got plenty to offer aside from cup holders that can also tickle your fancy when it comes to upgrading your Tesla and customizing it to your needs. Use my code MIXONITE at purchase to save 22% right now on their site.
This will probably be one of the quickest unboxings. Right in the box, you're going to get the cup holder. It's all one set. You got everything that you need from here. Even the little charging station is going to be in there. 2 USB ports, 2 USB type A's, 2 buttons. What do they do? We don't know yet. But in these little boxes, you're going to find the aromas for the car. Now, I don't know what these smells mean. This one is let's see here, cologne. Okay, doesn't know what that smells like, but I'm sure it's gonna smell better than what I have now. And then you have another one, which is what is this? Let's see, charm. Okay, so this is what it is. Do not eat this, by the way, just in case you was wondering. Now, to install this, grab your cup holder like so and twist that bottom portion off. Comes off fairly simple, and there you have it. That's all you have to do. And then from there, you're going to get your charm. We'll start with the charm first today. Tear this open, pull it out, and then put it onto the record player, is what I like to call it, just like so. Can't mess this up, just put it right through the hole. Close that top up, and let's go ahead and install it in the car.
This installation takes less than 30 seconds. All you have to do is literally lift this up, place this into the cup holder, and then plug this into your 12-volt charger, and you're literally done. It even lights up for you. One thing I want to note is that this side is be for your bigger cups, and this side will be for your smaller cups. So straightforward, just place it into there. It fits in there seamlessly. If you have a smaller cup, it'll fit perfectly into this next one over here to the right-hand side. As you can see, it has 2 USB Type-C ports. It has 2 USB Type-A ports, and also too, you can change the color with this button over here. So right now it's purple. I can toggle over to whatever that color is, to whatever that color is, and whatever that color is, this color, and that color, and that color, and ooh, this color matches those nice seats right there. So there's a lot of colors you can go through with this particular cup holder. My old cup holder did not do that. Now this button here to the left-hand side, if I toggle it on, it will actually start the aroma, starting off at 3 dots. The higher the dots, the more it's going to put off, all right? So you can take it to whatever level you want. Boom, just like that. Taking all the way down to the 1, all the way down to the off. So if you don't want the aroma, you don't have to have it, but if you do want the aroma to kind of like set the mood or whatever you're trying to do, you have those options. In my opinion, this cup holder is an excellent addition to your Tesla Model 3 or your Model Y. It fits seamlessly into your vehicle and it doesn't take up any space, only that 12-volt port there. If I could change anything, I would have it be carbon fiber rather than the traditional Tesla colors. Also too, it would be cool if the pad was a charger station too as well, to keep my phone charged as an extra charging pad. Other than that, I think it's gonna be a great option for your phone that has the USB Type-C, 2 ports, have 2 USB Type-A's if you still use that kind of thing, but it is there. You have the option. If you want more things like this, make sure you check out their site and use my code MIXONITE to save 22% off your next purchase. You want to see more videos like this? Make sure you hit the like button. Will you put this in your car? Let me know. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts on this new product. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.